English Speaks Go, your home for English podcasts.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to a very special long-form episode of English Speaks Go. I'm Alex, and today we are going to dive deep into a word that is small but incredibly powerful. That word is get. If you master this one word, your English will sound 10 times more natural. Joining me for this journey is my amazing co-host, Sarah.
Yes, sci-fi is really good. The Academy is interesting. It's about this wild superhero family, really cool, and a wild ride.
Perfect. Let's start with the very first thing you do in the morning. 7 a.m. Monday morning. Sarah, do you get up as soon as the alarm rings? Listeners, when we say get up, we mean to leave your bed after you finish sleeping.
Alex, are you joking? Alex, are you joking? Nobody gets up immediately on a Monday. No, first I just lie there and get used to the fact that the weekend is over. Get used to something means to become familiar with a new situation. Then I finally get out of bed. Get out of means to leave a physical space like a bed or a room. I walk to the kitchen and I get the coffee started. Here, get something started means to begin a process or a machine.
I definitely need coffee to get my brain working too. Get something working means to make it function or operate. So, you have your coffee. What's next? Do you get dressed?
Yes. To get dressed means to put on your clothes. But Alex, this is where I get frustrated every single morning. Listeners, get frustrated means to feel annoyed or impatient because you cannot achieve what you want. I get frustrated because my favorite socks always get lost. To get lost means to become missing or impossible to find. I think my washing machine eats one sock every week.
Washing machines are hungry monsters. Okay, so you've got your clothes on. Now you have to get going. Get going is a very natural way to say to leave or start a journey. Do you drive to work or do you get the bus? To get the bus means to travel using public transport.
I tried to get the bus, but if I'm running late, I get a taxi. To get a taxi means to catch or pay for a cab. In the taxi, I usually get impatient. Get impatient means to feel irritated because things are moving too slowly. I look at the cars and I think, I need to get to the office by 9. To get to a place means to arrive there.
Taxi is the enemy of English learners and office workers. But finally, you get in. Listeners, get in means to enter a building or a room. What's the first thing you do when you get to your desk, Sarah?
The first thing? I get another coffee. Then I try to get my emails out of the way. Get something out of the way is a great idiom. It means to finish a task so you don't have to worry about it anymore. But sometimes I get a headache, start feeling pain in the head, because there are too many messages.
I think everyone gets that feeling, experiences that emotion, at work. Listeners, we are just getting started with our get journey. Get started means to begin a long task. In the next part, Sarah is going to tell us about her crazy boss and a meeting that got a bit out of hand. I bet you English Speaks Go listeners would get it.
Oh, yes, it got very weird. Don't go anywhere. We'll get back to it in just a second.
And we are moving right along. Sarah has gotten her coffee, she's at her desk, and now it is time to work. Sarah, tell us about your computer. Does it always get to work immediately?
Oh, Alex, my computer is very old. Sometimes I press the button and nothing happens. I get worried. Listeners, get worried means to begin to feel anxious or unhappy about a problem. I think, oh no, did I lose my files? Then the screen gets bright, becomes full of light, but then it gets frozen. When a computer gets frozen, it means it stops responding and the screen does not move anymore. I start to get frustrated. Remember, get frustrated means to feel annoyed because you cannot do what you want. I have to get the IT guy to help me. Get someone here means to go and find or bring someone to help you.
The IT guy is the hero of the office. Okay, so the computer is fixed. Now you have a meeting with your boss. Does he get straight to the point? To get straight to the point means to talk about the most important thing immediately without wasting time.
No, never. He talks about the weather, then he talks about his dog, then he talks about his lunch. I sit there and I don't get his point. Get the point means to understand the main idea of what someone is saying. I look at my notes and I get confused, become unable to understand. Suddenly, he looks at me and asks, Sarah, did you get my email about the budget? I realized I forgot to check my inbox. I got so embarrassed. Get embarrassed means to feel shy or ashamed because of a mistake. My face got as red as a tomato. Get red means to change color because of strong emotion.
A tomato in the office. Okay, so after the meeting, you have to get down to business. To get down to business means to start focusing on the important work that needs to be done. How do you get organized? Plan your time and tasks.
I make a big list of things to get done. Get something done means to complete or finish a task. But then I get a notification on my phone. Get a notification means to receive a message or alert on your screen. It's a message from my friend about a big sale at the mall. I get so excited, start to feel very happy and full of energy. I stop working and start looking at shoes online. I get distracted so easily.
To get distracted means to stop paying attention to your work and look at something else. Sarah, you are going to get in trouble. To get in trouble means to be in a situation where someone, like your boss, is angry with you because you did something wrong. You need to get rid of those shopping apps. Get rid of means to remove or stop using something permanently.
I know. I heard my boss walking down the hall, so I quickly got back to work. Get back to means to return to an activity. My heart started to get fast. Get fast. But finally, it's 12 p.m. I get a break. Get a break means to have a short period of rest during work. I get my bag and I get out of the building as fast as I can. I'm getting hungry.
Lunchtime! This is where the story gets really interesting. Get interesting means to become more exciting or fun. Sarah, tell them about that Mexican restaurant and the cute green pepper you found. And we are moving forward. Sarah has escaped the office, she didn't get caught by her boss while looking at shoes, now she is ready for her lunch break. Sarah, you went to that new Mexican place, right? Did you get what you wanted? Listeners, get what you want means to obtain or receive the thing you desire.
Oh, Alex, it was a disaster. I wanted to get something spicy. Get something spicy means to buy or eat food that has a very hot, burning taste. I saw a tiny green pepper on my plate. It looked cute. I got a big bite of it. Get a bite means to take a piece of food into your mouth using your teeth. Alex, my face got so red. Get red means to change color because you were very hot or very embarrassed. I felt like my tongue was getting on fire.
Oh no, that sounds painful. Did you get some water quickly? Get water here means to go and find or drink some liquid to stop the burning.
Water didn't help. I got a whole jug of milk. Get a jug means to obtain a large container of liquid. I drank it so fast that I got the hiccups. Listeners, get the hiccups means to have a series of quick, loud, and voluntary sounds in your throat. Everyone in the restaurant got a good laugh at my expense. Get a laugh means to find something funny or to make others laugh. But finally, after 20 minutes, my mouth got better. Get better means to recover or return to a normal, healthy state.
What a memory. So, after the fire lunch, you had to get some groceries, right? Get groceries means to buy food and items for your house at a supermarket.
Yes, I only needed to get some eggs. But then I got to the middle of the store. Get to a place means to arrive at a specific area. I saw a big sale sign and I got excited. Get excited means to start to feel very happy and full of energy. I got a basket. Then I got a cart. Alex, I got carried away. Get carried away is a great idiom. It means to lose control because you're too excited about something. I bought 10 boxes of chocolate, a giant watermelon, and 4 garden chairs.
Garden chairs in an apartment? Wow! How did you get all those things home? To get something home means to transport items to your house.
It was so difficult. I tried to get on the bus. Get on means to enter a large vehicle, like a bus or a train. But the driver said you can't get in with all those chairs. So I had to get an Uber. When I finally got to my front door, I realized I couldn't find my keys. I started to get angry with myself. Get angry means to begin to feel a strong feeling of displeasure. I searched everywhere, and guess what? They were inside the chocolate boxes. I almost got a heart attack from the stress.
Sarah, you are amazing! Listeners, stay with us. Next, we are going to see how Sarah tries to get fit at the gym with her new garden chairs. Wait, no, at the real gym. It gets even funnier, I promise. And we are back. Sarah is home with her 4 garden chairs and 10 boxes of chocolate, but she decided she needs to get fit. Listeners, get fit means to become healthy and strong through physical exercise. So, Sarah, did you finally get to the gym? Arrive at the fitness center?
Oh, Alex, I really tried. I got my gym clothes on. Get clothes on means to put on your garments or outfit. I got my sneakers, and I even got a fancy water bottle. I was so motivated. I thought, Sarah, you are going to get muscle.